Hi everyone, today we'll be doing the mechanical engineering activity, which is building a gliding car. For this, you will need your 2 pieces of paper, 3 small craft sticks, 1 large popsicle stick, a skewer, 4 wheels, a straw, a measuring tape or a ruler, glue and tape, and some scissors. Make sure you also have your activity booklet nearby open to page 29 because you'll be going through the questions later. To start off, we're going to be making the frame of the car. For this, you will need your 3 small craft sticks. Go ahead and cut one of the craft sticks in half. To build the frame, we will be attaching the small popsicle sticks to the large, like that. You can use glue or tape for this, but I think glue would probably work better. Once you've glued your frame, go ahead and wait for it to dry. While the glue on our frame is drying, I'm going to make the wheels. For this, you'll need a dowel rod, a straw, and your 4 wheels. Go ahead and cut 2 4-inch pieces of straw. Now, put 1 wheel on the dowel. Slide the straw over the other end. Put another wheel on. Leave a little bit of the dowel at the end, and then go ahead and cut the other end. If the wheels slide a little bit, you can put some tape on the outside. If you have any excess tape on the edge of the dowel after you wrap it, go ahead and cut it off. Do the same process for 1 more set of wheels. When your wheels are done and your frame is dry, go ahead and tape the frame to the top of the wheels. This is what it should look like when one of the wheels are taped. Here's what the car frame should look like when both the front and the back wheels are taped. Now we're going to attach the wings to the car. To do this, first take the larger strip of paper and fold it in half. Then open it up and fold about a 1/2 inch in on each side. To tape your wings to the car, make sure that the wings are upside down and place the car upside down over the top. The car is upside down when the straws are on top of the popsicle sticks. Go ahead and tape your wings down. When your wings are taped, it should look like this from the top of the car. Now we're going to add the tail. Go ahead and take the smaller piece of paper and tape it in the back. Now your car should look like this. To add a weight to the front of the car, go ahead and cut the large popsicle stick in half and then tape it together. Then, add your weight to the front of the car. When your car is done, it should look like this. To test your car, just push it off the edge of a table. Great job making your gliding car. Make sure that while you're testing your car, you're filling out the table on page 29 in your activity booklet. For this, you will conduct 4 trials and record the distance that your gliding car went in inches. Now we are going to answer the rest of the questions in the activity booklet. If you want to do the questions on your own, go ahead and pause the video and then come back when you're done with the questions. The first question says, which trial did your car travel the farthest? Was your strategy for testing your car different during this trial? This is an open-ended question and it depends on what your strategy was and which time your car went the farthest. The next question asks you to draw your car and label lift, thrust, drag, and weight. But in order to draw the picture, you must know what these 4 forces are.
Thrust is a force that opposes drag. The engine creates thrust normally in an airplane and it moves it forward. In our case, gravity provides the thrust. Drag is a force that opposes thrust. Imagine sticking your hand out the window of a moving car. The force that pushes your hand back is called drag. Lift is a force that opposes weight. As a plane goes faster, its lift increases. This is what pushes the plane upwards. Weight opposes lift and pushes downward on the plane. This is why planes try to be as light as possible, because the more weight that a plane has, the more lift it needs to get off the ground.
The last question says, if one force is greater than the rest, it causes the car to move in the direction that the force is occurring. Which force do you think causes the car to land on the ground? Go ahead and think about this question and what we just learned about the 4 different forces. Thank you for making the gliding car with me. Remember, if your car traveled really far, make sure to send a picture of it to me. Thank you and have a nice day.